Welcome, creative minds, to a world of digital inspiration. Today, we're diving into the realm of portfolio websites that redefine the way we showcase our talents. Whether you're an artist, designer, or professional seeking to stand out, these platforms are here to make you rethink the possibilities. Buckle up as we unveil 7 portfolio websites that are nothing short of jealousy-inducing. 5 portfolio websites that will make you jealous. Segment 1. Sleek and minimalistic designs. First up, let's talk about the allure of sleek and minimalistic designs. These platforms master the art of simplicity, letting the work speak for itself. Clean layouts, intuitive navigation, get ready to be captivated by the elegance of these portfolios. Segment 2. Innovative features that wow. Moving on to the game changers, portfolio websites that go beyond static displays. Get ready for a ride through innovation and interactive features that will leave you itching to upgrade your own portfolio game. Segment 3. The power of storytelling. Every great portfolio tells a story. Our next set of websites are masters of the narrative, weaving tales that resonate with their audience. Get ready for portfolios that are not just about showcasing work but creating an immersive experience. Segment 4. Global inspiration, showcasing diversity. Creativity knows no boundaries, and our next category celebrates the diversity of portfolios around the globe. From cultural influences to unique styles, these websites redefine what it means to have a global impact. Segment 5. Tech-savvy portfolios for the modern professional. In the age of technology, your portfolio should reflect the modern professional you are. Our final category explores tech-savvy portfolios that seamlessly blend innovation and professionalism. These platforms are not just portfolios, they're experiences. And there you have it, 5 portfolio websites that redefine the game. Whether you're an artist, designer, or professional looking to make a statement, these platforms are here to inspire. Don't just be impressed, let these websites be the catalyst for your own creative journey. Which one sparked your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital inspiration. Until next time, stay creative. Connect with us on social media for more creative insights. Call us or visit our website for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.